Welcome to DK's Follies again. In the last video I showed you when we started cleaning everything up for the Kickstarter assembly of my jialing jh50. Now it has all been cleaned up. Here are some parts are in this plate. Let's come closer. Okay, and yeah, this is the dirt and grime and a lot of things present in this residue. And so I have cleaned everything as far as my knowledge goes. So after cleaning it and wiping it up with a clean cloth, now it is here, and then I will assemble it. I have sent someone to bring a new Kickstarter spring. When it will arrive, then I will start assembling it. And the thing is that what I'm gonna do is that I will assemble it and then I'll show you the thing. Maybe another video for during the assembly process. I don't know. Anyhow, thanks for liking. Goodbye.